This is our Nuova Aurelia. It's a brand new model from Nuova Simonelli, and the GX85, which is a grind-by-weight grinder. The thing that's special about these machines is that they communicate with each other. And the grinder has a motor inside of it that allows it to control the burr plate. So the machine will give feedback to the grinder, and the grind will be set accordingly based on the baseline that you've set it to. If I'm working and suddenly based on humidity or temperature or extraneous issues, if it's off and the flow isn't correct, the machine will communicate with the grinder and correct that issue. This one is taking a little long, so the grinder is going to adjust it on the next shot. It references the last 3 shots that it's used. As you can see, the last shot was long at 34 seconds, and the grinder's been adjusted, and now it's bang on at 29 for the output that I want for it. It's very reliable, it switches faster than a regular barista, and wastes less coffee.